This video introduces a new API I've developed that connects real-world VDR data with the Kongsberg K-Sim simulator. A VDR, or Voyage Data Recorder, is the maritime equivalent of a black box. It captures critical data such as ship position, heading, speed, radar, environmental conditions, and audio from the bridge. In the event of a maritime incident, this data is essential for accurate investigation and analysis. Traditionally, recreating incidents inside a simulator required manual input and considerable time. Now, with this API, we can automatically import VDR data and control the simulation to precisely reproduce the ship's movement, along with all relevant environmental and navigational parameters in real time. This capability transforms the way we conduct accident reviews, risk assessments, and navigational training by creating immersive, high-fidelity scenarios that mirror real-world events. In this demonstration, we'll walk through a simulated river collision scenario between two vessels based on sample VDR data. The simulation includes full traffic conditions, accurate ship tracks, synchronized radar and conning displays, bridge and overhead views, and even wind and current conditions, all visualized on a K-Sim full mission bridge simulator. You'll also see the API interface running in parallel, showing the real-time parsed VDR parameters driving the simulation. This API bridges a gap between recorded voyage data and immersive simulation, enabling us to recreate incidents quickly, accurately, and interactively. It's a powerful tool for investigators, operators, and training centers to better understand what happened, why it happened, and how to prevent similar accidents in the future. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this solution, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.